I won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. What's up, everybody? What's up? Hey, what did I say? What did I say during my live stream? Did I say during my live stream that Dell is going to explode? 440.72. Are you crazy? I said you got to think like these people. Dell just gets a big contract from the government. And look at this MDB. Oh, my God. The stock was trading 210, rallies 100. But the story of the day is Dell. Look at this, 441. Kaboom. Unbelievable. There's the link, everybody. There's the link right there to sign up for the raffle. Okay, there's the link right there. Jennifer, get in there. Okay. All right. Hey, everybody. Unbelievable day. Monster day. So many people bought Dell, NASDAQ 31, 32,000. Where is the NASDAQ right now? Oh, yeah. Well, Stewie, did I tell you, Stuart, that Dell was going to beat and big, right? Everybody's blowing up my phone. I can't. They say, oh, my God, SK, how did you know that? How the hell did you know that? Well, and I actually said, hey, holy fook, I said, oh, my God, I feel it in my bones. And you know what? My bones don't lie. And, oh, just an amazing market. I got to tell you, I was actually talking to a very endearing friend of mine, and he said to me, hey, Mahood, palm tree trader, palm tree. I hope you live in Florida. And he said to me, no, SK, in my somewhat 30 some odd years, I've never seen this. And I said, I got you beat. In my 44 years, I've never seen this before. I've seen bull markets, but not like this. This is complete, unbelievable. I've never seen it. I've never seen it. So anyway, let's see. All right. So look at this Dell 441. I know, visual trader. Well, I got to be able to tell you, honestly tell you, I don't even have, well, let me just see what gold's doing here. Gold, all my charts blew up here today. So gold bullish here on the 15. Let's see what the 30s look like. Bullish on the 30. Oh my God, what a bull flag. You want to buy this gold if it drops here, especially in the 60s here. Wow. Look at the 60s. Look at, why is the 60 taking so long here? All right, this thing's frozen. Wow, $60 negative. It's not bad. Come on. Do you know I was short AMD? I was down like 28 or $35,000 until it dropped. Come on. You know, I mean, look at this AMD. You want to see AMD? I got caught in this short here. Look at this. I got caught in this short. I actually tried to buy it back at a price. I missed it by 7 cents. I was bidding 1967. The low was 1974. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? And I had to trade all the way around it. Then they got absolutely kabooshed. Then we caught the long here, kicked it out, caught the long here again, kicked it out. And then finally on the third long, look out, boom, it ran about 3.5, 4 up to 21.5, 22. So what's going to happen here? right? What do you think is going to happen here? And they're off at Belmont. Okay, let me see what the Nasdaq's doing. Nasdaq's actually selling off here. I think this could be the top. You know, Dell's pushing up here, and you know what? Market. I think the market's ready for a fall here. I got to tell you, 30, 25. You would think that with Dell earnings, that the market would be 30,000. I would think 30,400 to 500 range. I don't think we're going there. So I'd like to see Stewie saying that a 5% move higher for a 30% move in 3 months, then a possible 10 to 12% correction. NVIDIA just is a turd. NVIDIA is a turd. All right, what's the 30 and 60-minute time frames doing here? I probably look to take a long here on the NASDAQ here. Let's go 60 to 90 range on the NASDAQ, 62 to 92 range on the NASDAQ. You do have negative MACDs here. The 30s and 60s, oh my God, look at these 60-minute time frames. They're going to turn up here. Oh, Nelly. You can go 65 to 60 to 95 range on the NASDAQ here. Look at these 60-minute time frames. Just up a big bull flag here. I hope everybody had a great day today. Naglam, is that you? Naglam, I hope I'm Chart Monk. Hey, Chart Monk. Learn Trading. How are you? Learn Trading. Linda NQ. How are you, Linda? Okay. All right, let's see if we can get some paper. Hello, Adrian, how are you? Marcus, how are you, Marcus? I got to tell you, I'll look at it, but my charts are down. I had to, my memory card blew, believe it or not. My memory card, this Bitcoin's finished. 60s negative, 30s negative, probably 60s positive, 15s positive. This was a nice long here. Probably you see here when you made new lows, you got the MACD's non-confirmation here. Okay. NASDAQ, you can sell NASDAQ from 93 up to even here. You see the push down here. It looks like you got buy divergences here. Big number 73, 839. Okay. All right. NASDAQ dropping here. Hi, SPAC. How are you? What happened? Don't ban you for what? What am I banning you for? What did he say? Please don't start. Please. It's been a long day. Unbelievable. I think this, I think they were buy here against the 30 and the 60s. Yeah. If you want to buy them again here, 46 to 66. If you want to buy them, 46 to 76, I mean. I just think that they're going to turn up here. If you look at the NASDAQ here, I really don't have my charts up. Of course, this trade station is giving me fits here. Of course, look at this thing. Requesting data. 72 here. Should push up here. I would just keep trading it from the long. So why is this market now? If you look here, you can see the daily. You're 1,000 points above the 10-bar moving average here. So, Iceman in the house. Okay, Iceman. You see this Dell, Iceman? I was jumping up and down like a baboon, telling people that this stock was I was telling everybody that the Dell was going to beat today. Unbelievable. And did it ever. Wow. Get my other water. Hey. All right. Dell, 442. I would have definitely, you could start scaling out alongs between 80 and 95 here on the NASDAQ. I definitely thought, I told you last night, right? That Dell was going to have blowout, right? Hey, Bodine, how are you? I definitely said I thought that Dell was going to blow out. I said it today. I said, I feel it in my bones. Now, when I don't even talk like that, right? I said, I feel it in my bones. And you know what? And man, oh man, oh man, did I ever feel it in my bones? I felt that Dell was going to have blowout earnings here. And I just said, good Lord, this thing is going to explode, right? Raphael, what's up, my brother? I'm so proud of Raphael, man. Really. I'm so proud of his consistency. Why did you feel like Dell was going to beat? Why? Because I said that Michael Dell did something real. I don't know. I mean, I just felt that they're all in. They're all in on it. You know, he donated billions of dollars to the president for helping people for their accounts. And then, he gets a government contract, $900 million yesterday. And I just think that the game is just so you've never in your lifetime until this, you got 2 more years of this, well, 2.5 more years of this, that this president watches every single tick in the market. I'm telling you, every single, look at this stock here. Look at this ONDS. Look at this stock. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. From 10, it's a drone stock. Why are we worried about drones if we won the war, right? Look at this. Where's this going, right? Where's this going, really, if you think of it, though, right? But anyway, who the hell knows? Papa Trump, like Micron. Micron's up about 250 points. Papa Trump, like Dell, Dell's up 140 points, right? Right? Drones are the future of war, right? But unbelievable. It really is just unbelievable. But listen, it is, you know what? It brings us good action. That's important. And if it brings us good action, then guess what? You know what? USMC today wild. Okay. There was another stock, something like that. UMA, was that the one? UMA, is that the one? No, it was UM. No, it was something something. Yeah, Papa Trump. I think that, okay, so if you take a step back, Mr. Freeze, if you jump up and down and say, okay, well, why is Dell up 120 and the NASDAQ's flat? Now, I mean, it's still early in the game, and right, but we gotta take it for what it is here. Okay, gotta take it for what it is. Let's see if this gold can get another push down here on gold. You want to take it along here. Look at this beautiful bull flag on the 60-minute time frame. Oversold, positive MACD here. This is beautiful here. Bear Trader, UMAC. That's right. It's UMAC. It was wild today. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Big volume on this thing too. But the story is going to be Dell tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to short it on the opening or wait till it shoots up higher, but who knows? Snowflake, what happened? Snowflake was a great short today. I loaded up on puts. SNOW, what happened at the end of the day? Oh, 241, 230. Oh, it's 241 now. Got to get these stocks to drop here. These stocks should drop. Snowflake, right? Everybody, please sign up for the raffle here. Okay, get in there, everybody. There goes the NASDAQ, Iceman. These 30-minute time frame. If you're long NASDAQ, okay, I'd be scaling out above 90 here, right? Okay, if you look at the 30-minute time frame on the NASDAQ, you're going to see it here in the 60s. Here's a 60. Look at this, Iceman. Oversold, positive MACD, rising ADX. Get in there, Iceman. So last night, I got to tell you, it was slow, and then we got the fade the pop, right? Anna Trading, how are you? NQ Futures, Vanessa, Bear Trader. Bear Trader won last night. Barbie, Spyro, Michael, Vanessa B, Trujin, Corb Trades, all the same people here. And I want to just thank you for the support. Okay. Izzy Lizzie. Whose birthday is it? Trish. It's Trisha's birthday. Trisha, happy birthday, Trisha. AD Scalper, Safedi. How are you, Linda NQ? Trisha 2204. Everybody, welcome Trisha. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. There goes the NASDAQ. Happy birthday, Trish. Queen of Trades. Tom Forex. Happy birthday. Happy 29th birthday. I hope she's 29. Disco. Nick, all I know is I said I felt it in my bones that Dell was going to beat, and I did say it's going to explode. And I thought it was going to push the NASDAQ to 30,500, but it's not doing what I thought on the NASDAQ, which is kind of strange, which is making me feel like, you know what, we could be at the top here. You know? No, Dave, I will tell you, I am short-term bearish, long-term bullish. I'm just waiting for, we got the pullback on May 19th. Now I'm looking for a nice pullback. If we get a 10% pullback to set up the weekly. That's it. And then up to 8,200, if not higher. Okay? All right. That's what I'm looking for. Okay? That's what I'm looking for. Me and Henny are looking for that. Right? Right, Henny? Daddy loves you. All right. Gold 60-minute looks really good. NASDAQ looks really good here. Hope you guys kicked out the long here. I said above 90. Okay, you got the negative MACDs here. You see that? 93 here. So let's see here. These, look at that. Look at this negative MACD on the 5. So really on this push up, it just dropped 15. That you really had, I don't got to tell you, don't get mad at me. I just don't have the, my charts are down tonight, believe it or not. I have my video cards are shot, but the NASDAQ, where the S&P's hit here, 7,600, 75.9 new highs. And tomorrow is the last day of the month, so we shall see. We shall see. Okay, it's Dell's trading now. All right, but I'm gonna leave the other charts up, Mario. I tell you, I told everybody today. I felt it. I felt it. I felt it. I felt it. You were $2 getting it for what? Profits. Okay, I said to everybody today, I really felt that Dell was going to blow out earnings. you know what? It is what it is. Wow. It is what it is. So we'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But crazy game. Crazy game. No, he actually likes it, though. He likes being here. We go for a nice walk at the end. What? Mention what? I'd like to see if this NASDAQ can get down to the 47 to 77 range. I think, or, you can probably go maybe, let's see, 77 on the NASDAQ. You got another payout today? Oh, good job, Michael. Michael, you should try to listen to me during the day. NASDAQ, I look to go long 50 to 80. Michael, you should try to listen to me during the day, too. Okay? I don't look at patterns like that, though. There's patterns every single day. So let me just show you what happened today. This NASDAQ's going to go right here, 82. So that's the S&P. Where'd the NASDAQ get down to? NASDAQ's going to go here. NASDAQ, it's just got down to 75. Oh, if we're long here, it's 75 from before. Are you long, Jennifer?
I'm out already.
Okay, good job. Real money or prop?
Money.
Oh, what'd you make on that? 60?
Yeah.
Okay, you got get in there, Jennifer. All right.
Small size.
Unbelievable. I don't even know what. I'm just guessing and I'm right. Okay, everybody, welcome Kalua. Kalua. How are you, Kalua? How is everybody? All right, Patrick. Where have you been? Patrick Baseman, you're supposed to come and spend some time with me, right? Man lives in Florida. Should come down here. Anybody live in Florida? Hey, what about MyFundedFutures? 25 and 50K rapid evals, right? 50% off. Get in there, Jennifer. All right. Jennifer's in there. Where's Pac-Man and Hitman been lately? I'm from Jupiter, Florida here. There goes the NASDAQ. Iceman, be careful, Iceman. There they go. All right, let's just see if we get one more. Oh, yeah, one more pullback here. Oh, my God. Trying to see if we get one more push down here. I hope everybody signed up for the raffle. Is the raffle out yet? Were you able to sign up, Jennifer?
Yes.
Okay. Then he only leaves it for 10 minutes. You're from Jupiter too? No, come on, get out of here. You got to give me a call. You got to go to the MyFundedFutures YouTube and sign up for the raffle. Okay, you got to go to MyFundedFutures and sign up for the raffle. All right, what's this gold doing here? I got to put the gold up. Gold's got to drop. Oh, gold's going right back up. This gold's got a monster bull flag here. You got to hopefully get a pullback on this gold. Okay. It did. So basically, the PCE number, they were looking for 3.8, and it came in like 0.3 lower. And that really kind of gave the market some type of a catalyst to rally early on. And basically what happened was, truthfully, is that when you had that number kind of took off the fact that they're not going to raise interest rates, that it's going to start signaling that the PCE, the producer core inflation number is actually better. It got better, not higher. So I think the number, they rigged the number. Look at the NASDAQ go, right? 75, hit, Iceman, get in there. Iceman. This gold's going right back up. Look at his beautiful bull flags here. You got to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube and sign up. You only got a couple more minutes before Denny closes it. Okay? All right. Okay. What do you mean not trading? When you say get in there, no, it's just a saying like get in there and start trading. It's I don't know. Do I really believe the PC? No, of course, Eddie. What do you think? What am I gonna do? Go there and fight them on it and say that they didn't? Those numbers aren't real. What do you want from me? I don't believe any number. I think they can do whatever they want with the numbers. You know what I'm saying? That's what I think. But that's just my personal opinion. All right, let's see if this gold. All right, gold just dropped a little bit here. I want this gold to drop. Okay. Well, why is it my fault you haven't won? I just pick numbers. I just pick numbers. I mean, I'm not, doing anything here. I'm just picking numbers. Even if I had the old system, it was a spin of a wheel, right? It was a spin of the wheel. Oh, wow, this gold just dropped about 5 here. Yeah, we need a nice pullback here. Yeah, we won the war. No, you're not, Nick. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Man, it's very quiet here today. We got the raffle tonight. Exactly. You don't need the raffles here. Oh, come on, gold drop on the 5 to set up the one more long here. PPL people tried too much. Oh yeah. So I wanted to ask you a question. We won the war, Stephen. I think it's now probably the 912th time. How's Hendricks? He's sleeping. Hi, Henny. Everybody misses you. Henny's so good. He stays next to me all day long. I was down $35,000 on AMD and today, and Henny came right next to me. I started petting him and everything. And the stock dropped $9. So that was good. Henny poo. Okay. Yep. What is this? Come on, let's do something here. Let's see if this NASDAQ can drop another 10 here, right? And again, so basically at 9:45 today, right, we're in a complete positive trend on the S&P and NASDAQ futures. And then at right here at 10:15, Papa Trump comes up with some crazy, we won the war again. So the 15 reverses the buy. It correlates with the 60-minute, and it also correlated with the 30. And then every pullback, when you have an ADX rising on the 15-minute time frame like this, you have to learn something. You have to buy off the 3-minute time frame. So if you look here at 10:15, you can use the 3 and the 5, but most of the time when you have a rising ADX on the 15, you want to buy every pullback on the 3. Here's one, here's another one, here's another one, here's another one. Every pull, here's a, oh my God, look at this one. This is the pullback on the 5. And then, oh my God, here's another one, here's another one. And this pattern right here set up at on the 15-minute time frame. And then the big one here at the end of the day, right here, set up the 15-minute time frame at the around the 3:15 time period. So very, very, very very strong day today. All right, there goes the NASDAQ. Oh my God, NASDAQ's gonna go. Where did gold just do? Jesus, I only got one screen here today. All right, gold double blue. All right, if this gold gets down to the 21-27 range, I look for a long. This gold's going to go here. Look at the 30s. The 60s are going to turn up. Gold just dropped 4, rallied 4. NASDAQ, like to see if this NASDAQ can get get another push up here. Oil is getting smoked. What is oil doing? We knew that. Oh my God, poor oil. Where is this oil going? Jesus. Where's oil on the weekly? It's $60 a barrel. Yep. Oil is finished. Oil is finished. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? If there's anybody new here that would like a 5-day free trial to my Discord live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Nancy Pelosi stock tracker flags Dell's 9.7 billion Pentagon win weeks after Trump praised the company. Shares surged 48% in a month. Nancy Pelosi stock tracker flags Dell 9.7 billion Pentagon win weeks after Trump praised the company. There you go. You don't think they bought them? Come on, please. So you think the government just spent $9.8 billion in Dell, okay, and the stock's not going to go up? Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
That's what I said. NASDAQ, you can probably look to get long here, 48 to 78. Where's the baby goat been? He's here. He's been here. He's been here. Yes, sir. Yes, hello. Man, is it dead? Jesus. Forget crude. Crude's finished. Stick a knife in it.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right, if you bought this gold just now below 20, you got gold?
No, didn't hit me.
It didn't? Where were you bidding?
27.1.
Okay.
I front run you with it.
Okay, no problem.
Think it did.
How much you up tonight on your personal?
87.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ship away. So you're only
Okay.
down about what now? 240, 220?
Exactly. Nothing.
Okay. Well, I mean, okay.
I mean, it's fixable, right?
Where? For a swing trade, you got to wait to have oil set up on the daily for a short. Then I would look to short it, right? Then I would look to short it. So Dell's up 120%, up 48% since it got the $9.8 billion government contract. And why is the NASDAQ not up 200 points? We're near a top. We're near a top. That's just my opinion. We're near a top. I think even if you won the war another 3 more times, I think that why is the Qs unchanged, right? Why is the Q? Where's Micron? Micron might even be down on the day. 335, so it's up about 7. SanDisk, unbelievable. What a beast, the SanDisk. 648, up small. Okay. The SanDisk is going to turn. Oh, what a bull flag. Oof. Where's the SanDisk going to go on the daily? Let's. Oof. Can you believe nobody wanted SanDisk? Look at the SanDisk. Nobody wanted this thing. Look at this. At 27 and 25. Can you imagine buying 1,000 shares of SanDisk? Okay. Trading with Angela. Angela, get in there. Okay. You've been short crude since 6 o'clock. Let me look. This is absolutely insane. 55 million. Look at all this. 45, 27. Look at this. 32, 37. Look at this thing. And then out of nowhere, boom. Give me a break. Let's see here. Let me see. Where's I need a price. You've been short crude since 7. Since 6. 1,600, 1,700, 1,800. It's got to be. Where are you short? Right here? 17, 18. Right. So you're short around what? 88.25? Thank you. Thank you, Abano. IBM, what IBM do? IBM exploded. Oh my God almighty. Oh, I need more screens. Where's IBM going? 245. Jesus. U.S. and Iran have agreed to renew a 60-day truce pending Trump's approval. Then why is NASDAQ getting hit? Can somebody tell me? NASDAQ? I think the market's had it. All right, gold, I canceled the buy range here. Well, actually, it missed it by 10 cents, Jennifer. NASDAQ, little bear flag. These negative MACDs were brutal. All right. Look at this, down 45. NASDAQ. Papa Trump, get in there. I have screeners. I have screeners. I agree. I think Dell's gonna probably look to. I hope it stays up there to short it, but we'll see. We shall see. Taco trade. Well, I don't want to get into that. Okay. I got to tell you that I would have thought, I mean, I was right on Dell, but I thought that the NASDAQ would push up to 30,400, 30,500 range, right? I'm pretty dumbfounded. I'm pretty dumbfounded that the you're on my YouTube. Okay, you got to go on MyFundedFutures YouTube. Okay, so and this negative MACD was brutal right here. Just dropped 40. Recession incoming. Oh wow, no, it's okay. It's all right. It's still a nice trade. You never look back. Look, I'm telling you. Mike, I also said I thought it was going to go. I just can't believe how many people just listen. I mean, I don't give investment advice, right? But I said I felt it in my bones that Dell was going to explode, and did it ever? And of course, it's very quiet here tonight. So I want to just tell you, for the next 2.5 years, this is what you got to expect. Because after the 2.5 years, you will never see another president ever look at the stock market or talk about the stock market, not talk about the S&P, not talk about the Dow, not looking to buy stakes in companies, nothing. So get used to it. I'm serious. Get used to it. If you want to look out for puts, I think you got to look probably out till September. Okay, I think September, October. I think the market's going to be jittery. I think he's going to win I do think he's going to win the midterms. Okay, especially with all this redistricting going on. But I just think that the most important thing, I just think that the way to sequence, yeah, I heard it. A $250 bill with Papa Trump's face on it. Yep, I heard it. It came out. I got to tell you, I just think that people have to just get used to it, though. You're not going to see, in my opinion, anything drastic. If you get an 8 to 10% correction, I would just buy with your eyes closed. You know that? I just would buy it. Oh, he's going on. He's going to. They're already talking to people about Mount Rushmore. His face being on Mount Rushmore. Who's on Mount Rushmore? You got Lincoln, Jefferson, Roosevelt. Who else? There's 3 or 4. Hamilton?
Who's the other one?
Is it Jefferson? Who's on the
Lincoln?
Lincoln's one of them, isn't it?
So Washington?
Oh, Washington?
Yeah, definitely Washington.
Who's on there? Washington, Lincoln, Roosevelt, and Adams, right? Or Hamilton?
No,
John Hamilton?
No, Jefferson.
Jefferson. Yeah, Jefferson. Man, this is a slow Asia session. What are you in now?
NASDAQ.
Where?
57.
Okay. Just get one more push up here.
Yeah.
My opinion on gold, I think gold's going lower. Gold's only going to go higher in an interest rate environment that is cut. Okay. Okay. This is a beautiful bear flag. This is what happens when you don't have my charts up.
I don't know. Can't wait for
This is a beautiful bear flag here. Here's the pencil down, right? Then the bear flag. Should have left this chart up though, but put the 1 minute up. You see even the 1 minute bear flag. 65. Good job, Johnny D. Good job. Great job. Got these 30-minute time frames. They should start turning up here. These 30s, and look at the 60s. Oh my God. Look at these 60-minute time frames. I'm bullish on the S&P. Bullish. I'm bullish. New Zealand dollar, New Zealand Aussie dollar. Let's look at the New Zealand Aussie dollar. Let's look. NZD AUD. I used to trade these. Well, NZD AUD. Why can't I get this? NZD AUD. I should get that. Well, let me see. AUD USD. Should get that. I got the Aussie dollar. Futures are new to you? I'd help you if you want me to help you with futures. What do you buy S&Ps here? Let me see. I only got one screen. I'd buy them right here. I'd buy them down here, anywhere between the 71.5 and 77.5. I think I do like screeners. I just hope that AUD Aussie, right? That's different. AUD NZD. Let's see what this thing looks like. Here we go. Oh, what a short. 60-minute reverse to sell. Beautiful. Let's see what that's the 1 minute time frame. Let's look for the 5s. Oh, wow. What a beautiful bear flag. Just dropped about 10 pips there. Look at this pencil down. So when you get a pencil down like that, do you see that on the Aussie New Zealand dollar? When you get the push right back up, you see the push right back up in here, okay? 120.62. You see the negative MACD, you take the short. So you can short these things at 62, and then they get kabooshed down to 47 on the 5 minute. So when you got a pencil down, the MACD negative like this, you short the bounce into the negative MACD. This is a pencil down pattern. This is a Picasso. This is beautiful. Pencil down, negative MACD. The price pushes up. You take the short, and then within 1 to 2 bars, you get the drop. Then you get the 5 minute bear flag, which is right here. ADX rising. I'm sure that the 3 minute got overbought, and then boom. I used to trade currencies up the wazoo, so I used to love them. Okay. So if anybody ever wants any help, where would I place my stop? Where? Here? It depends. When you see a negative MACD like this, you better be looking to short, especially off the 1 or the 3 minute time frame. Okay. So if, let's say it got up to let's say short 59, 61s, maybe 63s. My stop would be like 71, 72. Okay. Why? Because I'm tired of getting up at 2 o'clock in the morning and trading the European session. Is that okay? No, I mean, the currencies move. That's not true. The currencies move. I mean, look at the pound US dollar, GBP USD. This was one of my favorite. Okay. The pound dollar. Look at the dollar yen. And I think, I don't know, are you guys allowed to trade FX futures there? You guys allowed to trade? They don't really move during the US, during the, the pound, the cable. All right, so let's see here. The pound, dollar, yen. I think this gold, let's see what this gold's doing. I only got one screen here today. My my hard drive, oh wow. I hope you bought this gold down here. If you bought this gold below 27, I kick it out here. It just ran about 5. This is a beautiful bull flag. What was the US dollar? I don't know, we'll see. Boy, NASDAQ is completely to nothing here. Well, a lot of people would disagree with you, Iceman. People think that the PE numbers are low. What's your average on the NASDAQ?
I am flat.
You sold them at 57?
I added a bit, so my average was 55, and then I don't know, sold them whatever.
At 55?
Oh, no, above that.
It did get above that?
Yeah.
So
I made a little bit.
Let's see, New Zealand dollar. You guys looking NZD, CHF? Oh, wow, this thing's beautiful. Who just posted that? Brinks, can you send me that? Whoop, what did I just do here? Put that there. And put this here. This is a beautiful pattern right here. I mean, I don't know what, I think this NASDAQ. NASDAQ's down $60 here. I'd buy this NASDAQ here again. I'd go like 03 to 04 to 44 here on this NASDAQ. I think this NASDAQ's going to get, this 60s are going to turn up here. I should push it up to, 70, 80, 90 here. I don't know what the hell I did just now, but oh boy. Well, I gotta tell Aaron. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes the words just hypnotize me. Aaron, are you there? Aaron, if you can help me, my brother. I think I deleted by mistake here. You got to see what I'm coming out with. There they go. There goes the NASDAQ. You're going to see what I'm coming out with. Kaboom and Kaboosh Christmas ornaments. Okay. NASDAQ just ran about 6, 7 just now. Fade the pop. There's no pop. Fade the pop. Pat, get in there. Anybody new here tonight would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email. Yeah, he also said this. I remember that, 2023. Got to get this market to rally a little bit here. All right. There was one fade to pop this morning that really worked really great, and then we got kabooshed, and that's that. Oh boy, this NASDAQ just cannot get going here. I'm telling you, I think we're near a top. I'm telling you, I think we're near a top. If this market, I got it right with Dell, but I was certain that I thought if NASDAQ would then get up to 30,400, 30,500. But he's a perma bear. Wow. 21,000 points bearish. So why do they, if that's the case, then why do they listen to this guy? I don't get it. Just like there was a guy on the internet, I'm not going to mention names, the net S&Ps were like 6,700. We're going to crash. We're going to crash. We're going to crash. We get to 6,350, then we rallied 1,200 points and 7,000 points on the NASDAQ. Where's he? Where's he? And he's a famous guy on the internet, showing all his trades and this and that and all that other BS, right? Where is he? Anybody can get lucky once, Ryan, right? I think the S&Ps are near it. He jumped, exactly, right? All right, NASDAQ, I still keep buying here. 08 to 38 on the NASDAQ. This is insane. You would think with Dell, oh, please, God, please let this thing gap up even higher than where it is now, 441. Please, God. Please don't let it come crashing down overnight. Does everybody remember the night that it was down like almost $500,000? Anybody remember that? It was a Thursday night. Gold was trading 5,500, 5,580, almost 5,600. And I was adding to my position. And I said, with the Bible on my hand, dear God, please let this gold drop 500. And I'll drop a C note in the basket this Sunday. Can you believe the next day gold was down 900? Is that insane? Is that insane? That's like when Moonboy was bitching and moaning he didn't win an account, and I called his name. And a couple of nights ago, I called Jennifer's name. Are you crazy? I could write a book bigger than War and Peace. I'm telling you, it's insane. Fade the pop. No, fade the drop. No, fade the pop. Believe it or not, if I tell you, I was happy to break even. When if you're up, you're down $540,000. Okay, now I'm allowed to swing trade, and I had a little bit more. I had probably another $250,000 to go, so probably or 300 before maybe I would have had to stop out, right? But can you imagine the next day, right, Mikey Jacques? Do you remember that? That was insane. I think I broke out even that day, but then I made money. I probably made like another 125 or 140,000 in when it got down. I bought it and it rallied. So crazy. Next day, 900 points. That's insane, right? I did. I went to St. Jude's Mass that Sunday here in Tequesta, the Catholic Church. I went to service. When they passed the basket around, I took out the C note. I said, "Thank you, God." I laid it right in the basket. You know, this is a Bible my mother gave me when I was 10 years old. We were so poor. I keep this Bible. Here goes the gold, 37 up to 50. Jennifer, get in there. This thing's going to go. You long?
Not yet, but I can be.
Why wouldn't you buy? Yeah, I said 38. 08 to 38. So we were so poor that my mother said to me, I was 10 years old, me and my two sisters, my third sister wasn't born yet. She said, "Okay, you can go open up your Christmas presents." So I look at the Christmas tree, and there was no presents under the tree. So I said, "Mom, where should we go?" And she said, "No, your Christmas presents in your stocking." So I run to the stocking, I put my hand all the way in, right? And I open it up, and this little, book was there. I open it up, and it's a Bible. I didn't say to my mother, "What is this? Where's my Tonka truck? Where's my fire engine? Where's a new pair of sneakers?" or whatever. I just sat quietly. I just thanked her, and I went into the living room, and around 10 after 10, and I started reading the Bible a little bit. Then I put it down, and then I went to go and watch TV. At 3:30, we had dinner, and at 7:30, I went to bed. Yeah, I know. I know Dell does have a little effect on the NASDAQ, but I still think that, I just thought it would be like a little follow through. All right. If you bought the NASDAQ at 38 and you want to scalp 10, you can. Listen, if I tell you, I never got upset. I sat with my two sisters at dinner, right? We had a little dinner, nice little Christmas dinner, and that was the end of it. So it was pretty nice, though. I can't believe how quiet it is tonight, though.
Okay, the gold worked out.
What happened to gold?
It went up.
From 23?
Yes. To 25.5.
All right. This gold's setting up for nice long as well here. If this gold drops anywhere from the probably 17 to 24, I'd look to buy it here. Look at the Dow Jones. What about it? 50,700. Where is it now? This has got to be one of the slowest nights. Boom, gold. There you go.
All right.
You long?
No.
There goes the NASDAQ. NASDAQ just ran 20. Look at the 60s go. I told you these 60s are going to go. Kaboom. Where's the bowl?
like Henny. That's sniffling.
Ricky Bobby. Get in there, Ricky Bobby. No fade the pop. Pat's up for 800. Get in there, Pat. There you go. Oh my God, look at the gold. Woohoo, gold up 10. Gold is up 10. Who got the gold long? Wow. 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 You got to fade the pop. Look at that gold. And then NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Schultz, get in there. Oh my God, it just dropped. NASDAQ just dropped 14. Okay. Wow, NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Oh my God, NASDAQ right back down. NASDAQ, if you want to take another long here, even to 30 on the NASDAQ. What the hell was that? Wow. Fade the pop. My God. If this gold gets down to the 16, 17 to 24 range, I look to buy it. Oh my God, NASDAQ. What happened? NASDAQ just dropped 30. My God, fade the pop. What the hell? There goes the gold right back up. NASDAQ, you can look to scale out longs here, 25 up to 35. Boom. You long gold?
No.
Oh, man, that gold just ripped 6 again. There go. You long NASDAQ?
Nope.
Nothing?
Nope, I'm locked out.
What happened?
Well, I have a stop loss that locks me out of the account if I lose too much.
Which one is that? The real one?
Yeah.
Where are you long?
I was long NASDAQ.
Where?
It's closed. It's ended. But I lost too much on that trade. It's like a stop loss.
On a prop account?
Nope, my real account.
How much? So now you're back to square one.
No, because I was up like 800 today.
Yeah. So if you made 300, now you're still down 8. That's why I figure it. You're down 8. Right? There goes the NASDAQ. Where were you long the NASDAQ?
Looks like my average was 47.
Okay.
47.
NASDAQ right back
49.
up. NASDAQ. Oh, I hope we get it back. Hey, Vlad.
I'm fine. It's just a loss on a trade.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. I think you should trade a proper count during the Asia session. It gives you more flexibility to trade. Are you trading NASDAQ or gold on that one?
In NASDAQ.
Okay. I think it's hard to trade at night your own account.
Oh, usually it does pretty well.
NASDAQ right back up. Gold right back up. Pat, good job. Took the long. Good job. What the hell? I got some game plan. What I did in 08, boarding crash. I buy loads of good companies and watch them go back home. Okay. There goes the NASDAQ. Just rallied 20. Trump's meme coin is the biggest financial scam in history of markets. 80 billion of value lost. I agree with that. That I agree with. Bigger than Enron. Oh, yeah, much bigger. There goes the gold. Jesus. You get back in on the long?
I took the NASDAQ one.
Yeah, but you said you got stopped out.
I got stopped out and then I got back in and I made back $150.
Of that loss?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so we got to do the math. You're down, in my head, down 650. I'm writing it down, 650. Hello, Vlad. How are you? Anybody living in the state of Florida here? Anybody? There goes the NASDAQ right back up. Unbelievable. Oh, my God. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. 24 up to 38. After it pushed up and it dropped, look at the 60-minute time frame kicking in here. Good Lord. Look at the 60s oversold into this positive MACD. Oil cabooshed. Wow. Look at it going. I need the NASDAQ to go. If this gold gets up to 43, 43 and a half, up to 50 and a half, I would take a scalp short. What a beautiful bull flag on the 60-minute time frame on gold. Take a picture. This is a Picasso. First pullback on the 60. Positive MACD. Rising ADX. Big buying pressure. Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Exactly. Unbelievable. Oh my God. What are you long?
I'm not long. I'm
Oh.
just setting up that short on the gold.
Just, yeah, it's, you gotta go.
That was me putting my stop in place.
Okay. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Wow. Fade the pop. Why is NASDAQ and S&Ps not doing it? Where are the S&Ps? S&Ps have done nothing. If it just gets to 77 3/4, 78, it'll be out. I mean, these 30s are going to turn up, though.
Giant dojis on the 15 minutes. It's been doing nothing for 30 minutes.
Oh, wow. Brian, how are you? Brian, what'd you get? You get to go along, Brian? You sold silver? You bought silver instead? Man, oh man, this NASDAQ cannot get going. You got to see the kaboom and the. I think tomorrow I get my kaboom and kaboosh ornaments. They're 3 inches, Christmas ornaments. Wait till you see these ornaments. Oh my God! I think there's going to be like 10,000 people. That 10,000 of these things are going to get sold. You got to see these kaboom and kaboosh Christmas ornaments. Okay, let's see if it gets there, Jennifer, Angela. So nice to meet so many new people. My phone blew up with so many people wanting the 5-day free trial last night. So if there's anybody new here, if you text me your full name and email, okay? Stack Z, thank you. There goes 43. And we're going to scalp the short here. There's 43.5. Order filled. Okay, unbelievable. $19 on the rally on the gold. Angela, you understand this pattern? Angela? Ian, Uncle Steve says hello, Ian. Ian. Where's Ian? Ian, get in there, Ian. Let's go. I think this gold's a scalp short here. 28. And Angela, I would go wide like every 2.5. Good job, Brian, on the gold longs. Moises, put him in the bathroom. Why are you late, Moises? Angela, I hope you got the long here, not once but twice. Here, pushed up, and then I'm going to drop back below 24. Oh, my God. Oh. My God. Man, NASDAQ cannot get going. This is troubling. I think NASDAQ's on borrowed time here. Let's see if this gold can, you can look to cover the gold anywhere between the 41.5 and 44.5 range. Angela, I would scale in, right? You do one at 43, maybe you do two at 45.5, then do like, four at, 48, like that. It's starting to drop here. Okay, there goes the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's going to go. NASDAQ just ran 10. Again, if you're long the NASDAQ, I'd be scaling out of longs above 41 here. These 30 and 60-minute time frames on the NASDAQ are going to kaboom them, just like gold. Okay? See if this gold can. Wow, look at the NASDAQ rally. NASDAQ just ran 14 again. Angela, you trading NASDAQ? We were long the gold. Then I said take a fade. You could fade the gold short on a scalp. Gold just went from 24 to 50. Hey, Kelly Kaufman. Look at this NASDAQ. 18 on the NASDAQ. Good job, Kelly. This is an absolute Picasso. Oversold. First pullback on the 60 after the 60 reversed to buy. You take the long. Parabolic. Now with a double blue buy here, you want to look to buy the pullback on the 3-minute time frame when the 3 reverses here. You want to get the 3 to get oversold. The giveaway link, you missed it. You missed the boat. Oh. I'm thinking about coming to the Dominican Republic at the end of the year. I want to see Bear Trader. I'm going to go to Cap Cana though. How far is Cap Cana from you? And Bear Trader, Cap Cana. We got to wait for this. What longs here on the NASDAQ? Hey, Diego. S&P is not even moving. I said to sell above 77.5 before. How's the NASDAQ chart look? It looks like it wants to turn up here on the 30 and 60-minute time frame. You want to buy the next pullback here on the 3-minute time frame. ADXs are rising. You could cover this gold anywhere between the 43 and 47 range if you're short. Okay. Levi, get in here. What happened? It's 3-hour drive. It's not bad. Do you understand this pattern right here? The 60-minute reversing to sell, to buy. MACDs are positive below the pivot. And then you buy the first pullback here on the 60. This is exactly what's going to happen with the NASDAQ and S&P soon. Soon. Wait till these 60-minute time frames kick in on the NASDAQ and S&P. Kaboom. Gold remains heavyweight. Okay. Here comes the gold, Angela. I'll be looking to cover between 43 and 47 on the gold. NASDAQ, give me one more push down on the NASDAQ below 27. Urza, get in there, Urza. There you go. There you go. I'd be covering shorts here, Angela. Just got down to 43. That's a beautiful. Now, gold's in up a beautiful long here. I want to see if this gold can get down to the. I'd be flat to gold short. Gold, you could probably look to go long anywhere between the. I'd go maybe 34.5 to 41.5. Angela, I would look to cover some here, Angela. It's amazing. Oil is down, and gasoline still $4.29. They're crooks. You know what that guy says to me? Oh, we bought this oil long time ago, much higher price, right? Much higher price, he tells me. Much higher price. What does that mean? Look at this gold. The guy who bought 50s, he just jumped. Angela, I would be covering shorts, Angela. If you're long the gold here, you should get one more push up. I think you get one more push up on the gold. My God, down. Okay, NASDAQ starting to drop here. Gold should get one more push up here on the bull flag. NASDAQ, I looked to buy 95 to 25 on the NASDAQ.
That sounds nice.
Oh, this gold's pulling in. Should get one more push on this gold. Oh, I think the long's going to get smoked. Let's see what the 5 is going to do here. What a short. See if you get one more push up on this gold. My God, what a short on that gold. Angela, if you're selling 48s, I guess at 51, I probably, again, one of the things I talk to people about is not to do single lot entries, but to try to scale in. If you're selling 1 at 48, maybe you sell 2 or 3 at 51, right? On this one, on the 60-minute time frame. On that. Oh boy, this gold's dropping. Just dropped 17. Wait. Let's see if you get hopefully one more push up here. Look to exit this like maybe 36.5, 37 to 40. This should get one more push up here. No, you can't. To do single lot entries, Angela, is very difficult. I would scale out any longs here, 36.5 up to like 40.5 range. You have to learn how to scale in. One of the things I've taught Levi, and I'll teach you eventually, anybody, you have to learn how to scale into a trade. NASDAQ, if you bought them, you buy them at 25?
I got just one.
Okay. Just look to scale out above 30.
Okay, I'm out at 32.
Okay.
One
micro?
Just one micro. Yeah, my other target.
What's that? How much is that? $7?
Yeah, 8. 10.50. $10.50.
Okay. There goes the NASDAQ right back up. NASDAQ. I know it's difficult. I know it's difficult. Look, I'm going to be the first one to say it's difficult for me because of the way I trade. NASDAQ just ran 10. Got to get this gold to turn up on the 5s. Anybody from the great state of Florida here? Anybody? Okay, just text me your full name and email on WhatsApp to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Angela, so if you're selling 48s, right, the stop actually on the range was 43.5 to 50.5, so your stop would have been 52, right? So you really, if you sold 48s, it was on the upper end, right? Jennifer loves standing, right? I think I stand during the day.
They think you didn't give me a chair.
I didn't give you a chair.
They think you didn't give me a chair.
No, I think they're just saying. Hi, Yazin. How are you? Yeah, I just think that people are. She's not. She came to visit, and I have people who want to come and spend the week with me. They come and they spend the week here. They like. Raphael was here, right? Joe was here from California. Arthur, right? So many. Jesse, so many of you. Jennifer. Egypt. Wow. You want to come, Alexis? You got to text me, 914-500-7484. I always wanted to go to Egypt. I always wanted to go see the pyramids. That's on my bucket list. I definitely want to do that. Look at this. All my screens are down.
I know, it's terrible.
And Angela, you have to find a prop firm that allows you to be able to do X amount of futures on gold. Thank you, Adam. Adam, you're in Egypt too? Wow. There goes the gold. Come on, give me another $3. Okay. I would love to go to Egypt. I have a friend of mine, Sharif, there. I need more screens. Okay. There goes the gold, Jennifer.
Yes.
Adam, you should come spend the week here, or you should join my live stream.
When are we going to kick these gold out?
Between 37 and 40 and a half. There goes the gold.
Come on.
NASDAQ, if you bought them.
Gosh. He's having trouble eating my eating my sell orders.
What happened?
We just, I guess there's nobody here. So it was like not taking my sell order. You know, it was hitting it, but not taking it.
No, my video card blew up today. I'm so pissed. There goes the gold right back up. All right. Whew. You got to, if you know how to use the ADX, it's very important. If you know how to use it. There goes, look at the NASDAQ go. NASDAQ just ran 18. I'm getting a video card. Yes, they are. All right. Wow. Look at the NASDAQ go up 20. Up 20 on the NASDAQ. I can't believe it's already, Jesus.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Wow. Look at this NASDAQ. Anybody still long the NASDAQ off of the 30 and 60? Diego, you see the S&Ps just ran 73.5 to 76.5. Diego. Wow, look at the NASDAQ shoot up. That's a Picasso. 25 on the NASDAQ up to 50. 25 in 3 bars. Fate, no, this is not fate. This is a pattern. All right, we got about 425 people. We're still working. Looks like we're going to do this Vegas trip probably in September.
Nice.
You're going to go?
I'll be in, absolutely. I
All
want
right.
to see everybody.
Yeah, it's going to be
In real
good.
life.
My God, look at the gold go. Gold's up 30.
Wow.
Look at the gold up. Gold's up 30. Look at that. I mean, not gold. I'm sorry, NASDAQ futures.
Beautiful.
Yep. Oh my God, look at the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ, Diego. Look at the S&P's up 6. I told you these 30-minute time frames are going to kick butt. Angela, get in there. Look at this. 22. Look at the 60s. Haven't even turned up yet. Where's the bull? Oh my God. Blue Origin rocket exploded on launch pad. All right. What did NASDAQ just get up to here? 63, drop 15. Angela is in the I'm just someone we just saw yesterday. Okay. Am I sleeping? Am I sleeping? What are you, crazy? Why is this NASDAQ dropping? Just dropped just dropped 24. That sucked. Little bear flag on the 5. What's the 15 looking like? 15 bear flag. All right. Short gold. Let me see. This guy, whoever bought 51s, he jumped. Get up to 38. No, you can't have emotions. Today, I was short. I was monster position short AMD. And guess what? Right? Guess what? It is what it is, right? I just stood there. Henny came up next to me. I petted him. That's it. Next. All right. We got 1 minute for the raffles. Good luck, everybody. NASDAQ missed that short. Oy. How many are we have tonight? How many do we have tonight? Let's see. Wow. We have 577. Wow. That's a lot. That is a lot. Okay. Is it ready? All right. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. All right. Good luck, everybody. Are you ready, Jennifer?
I'm ready.
Number 3. Number 3. I like the low numbers because I like when people sign up right away. Who is it? Gameplay Full Italy? Gameplay Full Italy? And again, if anybody out there with like a 5-day free...
He's here. Yes.
Congratulations.
He's
That's
here.
1. Number 67. Number 67. Again, who's this? Smileaways. 3333. Smileaways. Are you here, Smileaways? No? No Smileaways?
Yeah, but they're always here.
He's always here.
Smile always is here.
Congratulations, Smileaways. Number 145. Number 145 is ClickCoin Collective. ClickCoin Collective. ClickCoin. I call you Click. ClickCoin Collective. ClickCoin Collective. No ClickCoin Collective. ClickCoin Collect. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone number 914-500-7484. Is ClickCoin Collective here?
Not yet. That's strange.
All right. Well, we got to do what the rule is then.
Yeah.
I go up one. Let's see if ClickCoin Collective is here. Is he here? Then the next one is Day Trade Tom. Day Trade Tom. Day Trade Tom. Are you here? Day Trade Tom. No Day Trade Tom either?
Not yet.
Wow. We'll just
Well,
keep.
now we're hitting the wall.
No Day Trade Tom? What a shame you put your name
Oh,
in.
there he is. There he is.
Congratulations. That's number 3. Okay. Number 209. 209 is, oh my God, Raphael Trader 16. Rafaela Trader, ClickCoin, congratulations. Rafaela Trader 16. No, it's Rafael, not Raphael Trades. Rafaela Trader. Rafaela Trader, you here? Rafaela Trader, are you here?
Not yet.
No. No, Raphael Trader. It's Ralph's sister. No, it isn't. Raphael Trader. Nope.
No.
All right. Next, we're gonna bump this one out, and the next person would be, as the rule applies, we go teach like ADJ. Teach like ADJ. Bitcoin, congratulations. Teach like ADJ.
There he is. Teach like ADJ.
There you go. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Let's go number 336. 336. 336. And that would be Thomas Taylor. Oh, no, sorry. Thomas Taylor, 672. Thomas Taylor, 672. Thomas Taylor, 672. Day Trade Tom 1. Okay, Thomas Taylor. No?
My goodness.
Oh boy. Did Day Trade Tom win, or he got bumped? I don't think he got bumped, right? Thomas Taylor 672. But they,
Is there a game on tonight?
I don't know. I'm giving him a minute.
Yeah. Give him a minute. Yeah.
D. Thomas Taylor, 672. I think that's 4 we got, right?
Yeah, we got 4 here.
All right. I think we got to move on here. I've given him, I think, well over a minute and a half here.
Yeah.
Okay, as the rule applies, we'll go to the next person up is Sam Spleen. Sam, S-P-L-I-N-E. Sam Spleen. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone.
Sam.
Sam is here. 914-500-7484. Number 433. 433. 433. 433. And that person is, oh my God, how do you say this one? Geno FX Tamilian 777. Geno FX Tamilian.
There he is.
Hey, congratulations. That's 6. Number 480. Number 480. Number 480.
Oh.
Prab, how do you say this?
Prabhu SMK.
Parub
Prabhu.
Husmak? How you say this?
Prabhu SMK.
Where do you see Peru SMK? Oh, Peru SMK. Peru SMK. Peru SMK.
There he is.
That's 7.
Prabhu.
Okay.
Whew. I'm again.
Number 511. Number 511. That is, how you say this?
Puente Express.
Punte Express 51111. Punte Express 51111. Punte Express 5111. No?
Not yet.
Oh boy.
There's Puente Express.
Congratulations, number 8. I gotta go 200s. 208. Number 208. Let's see who 208 is. Oh my God.
Izzy Liz?
Oh my God. Izzy Lizzy, puppy lover to Gammy. There you go, Izzy Lizzy. Congratulations. Oh my God. Izzy Lizzy. Get in there. Is she here?
Come on, Izzy Lizzy.
She's got to be here. Maybe she's walking.
There.
Oh my God. Congratulations. She's a diehard here every night.
That's right.
How many is that? 9?
9, yeah.
We're going to go one more. We're going to go with one of my favorite numbers. Let's see. Number 23. Why not? Number 23. Let's see. Number 23 is, who's number 23? Is it Michael Jordan? Or who is it? Trades by Neo. Hey, Trades by Neo. Congratulations. Trades by Neo. There you go. Get in there. Trades by Neo. Trades by Neo. How's it always the same people? I pick numbers randomly. Okay. Trades by Neo, not here.
Yeah.
if trades by Nao is not here in 10 seconds, we're gonna have to bump it up one.
Oh, there.
Congratulations. Okay. All right. I want to thank Jennifer tonight. Again, I want to thank all of you, and I want to thank MyFundedFutures, and I want to thank Aaron, and I want to thank Denny, Luke, and Matt. And I want to thank everybody for being here. I want to thank all of you. God bless you. God bless our troops, and God bless the United States of America. Have a great day tomorrow and a great weekend. Be safe and enjoy every second. Have a great night, everybody, and I'll see you next week. Be well, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.